Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you how to download YouTube videos offline or how to download YouTube videos. So let's start. First of all, update your YouTube apps from your Play Store or App Store. Then open your YouTube app and open your desired video. I clicked on that and then scroll right here and you can see an option that download. Click to download and here you can see options. First one is high resolution, second one is medium, third one is low. I want to download medium quality or high quality. If you want to remember this setting, then click to the remember my setting and then click to the download option and this video will start downloading. If you want to see your downloads video, click to the library options and you can see an option that download. Click on that and here you can see your video is downloading. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Goodbye.